Welcome. In front of me is a MEIZU M5S, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you will want to simply open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen that is visible right now. So once you have it open and visible, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. As you will see, it will capture that screenshot, and right here you can crop it if you want to capture a smaller portion of it by just shortening it to your liking. And from there you can select save, which will save that cropped version of it. And obviously if you want to select the entire screen like this, just don't do anything and select save automatically. Now the two photos that I have taken, screenshots, can be found in the gallery application under albums and screenshots. There we go. So there's the entire one, and then here's the cropped version of it. So that is how you'd capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.